Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to go over something a little bit that was kind of a concern to me, and that is the process of affiliate marketing. So a lot of videos that you see on YouTube talk about affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing, how to get into affiliate marketing, that kind of deal. But what this video is about something that they do not talk about 99% of the time, or I've never heard them talk about that. There are two basic schools of thought or whatever, not schools of thought, but two different ways to do the approach of affiliate marketing, okay? Those two different ways are what I call a passive affiliate marketing system and an active affiliate marketing system, okay? So let me talk about those two in detail. A passive affiliate marketing system is when you have an affiliate marketing system that gets organic traffic to click on the links to the affiliate product or the website in general, okay? So it's more of a, it's not more, it is exactly using an organic means and methods. Now those organic means and methods are usually a website, a blog, a YouTube channel, and putting affiliate links such as you'll see in many YouTubers descriptions. They leave a lot of links and descriptions. Those are their affiliate links to the products that they reviewed. So usually for a passive affiliate marketing style, the way you can notice it is if you see a blog, in general, a blog, a YouTube channel, even a podcast or something, or a website that compares different products to other products or reviews other products in detail about what are the benefits, the features, the pros and cons, that nature. That is what a passive affiliate marketing system usually, or how it works, okay? So basically, many of the blogs that I've written, many of the links that I've sent or I've placed in different YouTube channels that I've had over the years. I started in 2015 and it's coming on 2020. That's the way the system that I used. That's the majority of the system that I use is a passive affiliate marketing system. One of the people that we're gonna review and we're gonna go dig deep into that as part of this video is SPI, Smart Passive Income, Pat Flynn, and he used a passive affiliate marketing system for his blogs and his content. Now, what is the active affiliate marketing system? What the hell is an active affiliate marketing? It means that you're not relying on organic traffic. What you're relying on is you're relying on your paid advertising to send hopefully qualified traffic, depending on how well you've done your ads, to this specific web page where those leads will, and those prospects have the ability to look at your content and then decide to themselves if that's, hey, that's something that I want to purchase or something that I want to buy. So this particular system, you are using Facebook ads, Microsoft advertising, as it's called now, even some YouTube advertising to send people from one place to the other. Okay, so I know you, and that is the difference between that type of affiliate marketing. Now, usually another key difference in the active affiliate marketing is that the page will have it'll be one page, and there'll only be one particular product on that page that's talked about in detail and what are some of the benefits of that particular product. Whereas the passive, you'll see multiple products compared, or discussed usually in the campaign or in the ad copy. So again, two different systems. Now we're going to look at those two systems, and then we're going to come back and we'll talk about them some more. All right, so to further dive into this, we want to dive deep. We're going to look at the two types of affiliate marketing styles. The first one is the passive affiliate marketer, which is a great example here from Pat Flynn. He has the highly award-winning and highly popular Smart Passive Income YouTube channel, as well as the Smart Passive Income website, where he pretty much follows the passive system. Now here's an example of the passive system that Pat Flynn uses. This is to write a article on a particular system or problem that your audience is looking to solve. And for this particular one, it is people who want to start their own food truck business and all the things that go along with that. So this is an expansive blog website that can have a myriad of different blogs that go along with the site. So as you can see, the topics that are talked about in the website, it gives you an idea, but I want you to really pay attention and to take note of at the top of this article here, there is the affiliate link there that'll send you to his affiliate, the person who will be paying his affiliate commission after you read the blog and you try their products. Next, we have the second, which is the active affiliate marketing system, and a proponent of this is Deadbeat Super Affiliate, which is the Deadbeat System by Dan Brock, and he also has the YouTube channel, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, as well as obviously the Deadbeat website. And his particular system is the active system once again. So what I mean by that is you actively are sending traffic to a specific page that you created as the affiliate to sell a product. Now usually the main type of way of doing the active affiliate marketing system is to send people directly to your page by writing a review of a specific product. And just to go over the layers of this particular website, I just pulled this up. I don't even know whose this is. This is not Dan Brock's. I don't believe it is, but you pretty much are going to, you're going to talk about what are the attributes of the product, what does it do, what does it do for the customer, how does it solve their problem. And the problem here is people who have older appearance to their skin, or they have like crow's feet, or just skin imperfections. And this particular product is supposed to allow you to fix that, or at least to have a healthier appearance of skin. So as you can see up over at the top, there's the link for the affiliate web page, and this is the second layer. This is the not the affiliate web page, but the actual product web page from the product manufacturer. So this is their sales page. This is their page here, and then it takes you directly to their sales page where you could order now. And this is the third level. So all of that was done from the affiliate web link. So the affiliate website sent you to the sales page of the manufacturer, and it sent you to it sent you to the sales page, and it sent you to the order page of the manufacturer. And all that is tracked for the affiliate, so that once the customer orders that particular product, then it is
tracked by the affiliate software, and it is sent to the affiliate.
Welcome back. I'm glad that I gave you the opportunity to look at these particular systems, so that yes, you've heard about affiliate marketing, or maybe you haven't heard about affiliate marketing, but now you know that there are two basic schools of, I keep saying schools, but ways of doing affiliate marketing that are just the basic generics, and they definitely go into detail about that, and we could break it down a little bit further in other videos, but the basics are you're either a passive affiliate marketer or you're an active affiliate marketer, and you are using paid traffic to send people to your offers. That's it for today's video. Please consider to click on that subscribe button and hit the like if you like this video, if you learned something about it, from it, and hopefully you could stay on this channel, because regularly I'll be releasing a video that is there to help the veterans become digital entrepreneurs in this digital entrepreneurship, and anyone else. If this helps you out, I'm not discriminating if you're not a veteran, but this is what this channel is about. And please share if you with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.